Today, we're going to build an Imperial Shuttle using 12 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're first going to grab these 1x2 plates with open end handles. And we're going to put them together so the plate parts are together and the handles are facing out, and just kind of hold together with your finger like this. And then you're going to grab a 1x2 plate with closed end handles. So notice the difference in those shapes. And you're going to put the closed end handle on the front two studs here to hold those other handles in place like this. And now we've got those back studs we haven't used yet. We're going to grab a 1x2, 1x4 bracket plate, and you're going to put it across the back so the 1x2 part goes over those two studs and the 1x4 part goes along the back. And this is where we're going to make our engines to our starship. So in the back, the usual Shuttle Shiderian Imperial Shuttle had two small engines on the side. Because of the scale of the thing, we're only going to use one 1x2 tile piece in the center. So you put on those center two studs, and on the end studs to kind of close up those engines, we're going to get these 1x1 tile pieces and just put them on both ends of that bracket plate like this, and you've got the engines of your shuttle. Now to create the cockpit, we're going to use this front closed end handle and a 1x2 plate with tile on top. And what you do is you put the plate in the clip together by going that clip underneath the handle and pushing up like this. And then in the front stud here, we're going to grab one of these translucent black cheese wedge slopes and put it so that the thin end is in the front and then it's sloping up towards the back to create that nice kind of curved coned effect of the Imperial Shuttle. And now we get to move on to the wings. For the wings, we're going to use those open-end handles now and grab these trapezoid flag pieces. And you can see one part is kind of straighter and the other part slants to give it that trapezoid look. Well, the slanting part goes in front and the straight end goes in the back. And we're just going to connect those to the open end of those handles here. And we're going to do that on both sides. And the nice thing about this design is these wings can actually fold up just like the Imperial Shuttle does when it comes in for a landing on a landing dock or bay. So we're going to put those wings down now so we can get that back tail fin. And the back tail fin is just one of these kind of airplane back wings, small. And you're going to put it across the top two studs or that closed end handle on top. So you just put it right there on the front so it curves back. But here we have an Imperial Shuttle to carry Darth Vader, the Emperor, or, you know, maybe some rebels who want to go on Endor.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.